X-band. K-band. Marksman or ultralight. Ahead.
Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Working on a 2019 BMW M5 competition. We did a AL priority laser jammer and radar detector. As you can see here, we got the radar detector up underneath the grill there, right behind it. And we cut the laser jammers into the honeycomb grill. So we have the TX parking sensor, and then we have two other jammers. So there's actually 3 jammers here that jam the laser. And then coming inside, everything's really discreet. So we have a little status LED here that blinks different colors. Tells you if it's in the jamming mode and different modes. And then right here we have a little controller, which is really cool. You can actually mute it.
K-band.
So when you put your hand here, if you have your hand just like this, you can hit the button to mute it. And it's right there, right in your reach. Other than that, everything's hidden. And then coming to the rear, we have 2 laser jammers in the rear. They're just tucked real nice underneath the lip of the trunk right there. But this system's really good. Jammed the laser, picked up the radar. So if you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. You can check us out on our Instagram at AudioDesign75.